Today we're diving into Pixverse, a free AI tool to generate videos. Let's jump right in. First go to pixverse.ai and click Get Started to use the web version. You can log in via Gmail or Discord. Here you can browse community-generated videos for inspiration. By clicking on videos, you can see prompts used, which will help you generate your own ideas. To create a video, simply click on Create in the top right corner. You can choose the image to video option or text to video. If you choose the image to video option, upload a high quality image, and in the prompt section, and type in your prompt. If you leave it blank, this will allow the AI to automatically detect movable parts in your image. Set a seed, which provides consistency in video generation. You can generate a random seed or input a specific value for consistent results to use later on. Set the motion strength. I find 0.5 works best, and then click Create. Once the video is generated, you might encounter some noise. Pixverse allows you to upscale videos to improve clarity, but it takes additional time. If you choose text to video, simply enter your prompt, enter a negative prompt to specify unwanted elements, and optionally you can enable inspiring prompts for more creative results. Select a style you'd like, for example realistic, animated, etc. and an aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Instagram or TikTok. For best results, leave the prompt box empty when using image to video, as the AI will automatically detect and move objects in the image. If you want to maintain consistency across multiple videos, always use the same seed. Add terms like camera pan or zoom to your text prompts to create more dynamic cinematic videos. And if your videos appear noisy or pixelated, use the upscaling feature to enhance clarity, though be prepared for longer processing times. If you input overly complex or lengthy prompts, this may confuse the AI, leading to odd results. It's best to keep prompts specific but concise.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.